So what you see here is our makeshift incline plane. That's the ball, we're gonna drop down it. So it'll travel down that path. Your goal is to figure out where it's gonna land. Okay, so your goal is to figure out where to place the target so when our marble launches off this table, it lands directly in the center. If you calculate a position and it's incorrect, it'll sound like this. You don't want that sound. So by using the ramp height, you'll be able to calculate the velocity at which the ball leaves. Using the height of the table, you'll then be able to figure out the air time that the ball is falling. And with all that information, your goal will be to place this target so that when the ball rolls down the ramp, it lands in the bullseye. If it lands in these outer rings, that is your lab grade.